Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And our Mini Kit Monday challenge for April 2024 is to scrap lift one of our members over at our Facebook group site. So you would go over to our 5 years of albums, which are sorted by month and year, and select one of our members that you would like to scrap lift, and then snap a photograph and upload it to April 2024 album, and be sure to tell us who you scrap lifted and what album you found that layout. And I am scrap lifting for layout number 2 for the month of April, Kathy Galloway, and she posted this layout that you see in the upper left hand corner June 13 of 2020, and it was in our June 2020 album. As you can see, she has a foundation pattern paper. Then she has 2 other strips of papers to the left, a round circle, 1 photograph, and all those little daisy flowers. And some look like they're made out of fabric, some look like chipboard, some look like stickers. And then she has some dragonflies and a very small title, and she is documenting her little flower garden around her mailbox. So we have a dolly that I used my die cut from Close to My Heart. I used the large one and daisy white cardstock. I have these little gems, and they're called Bitty Sparkles from Close to My Heart. Then I have these different colors of green gems that are from Hobby Lobby. That was in my stash. I have no idea where the word summer came from, and it looks like I was going to use it on a distressed layout, and I'm going to use it on this layout and get that used up out of my stash. I have these green alphas from, let me think, Freckle Fawn. Then I have these white alphas from Pink Fresh Studio from the Simple and Sweet collection. And does it have a year? 2018. So that tells you how long that's been in my stash. I have this little life card here on this day of September. Not sure where it came from. It could be an old Allie Edward life card. From the Daisy collection from a while back from Close to My Heart. This is all I have left of this sticker sheet. So we're going to see what we can use up on this layout. I have 2 photographs that I have matted using cardstock from Close to My Heart, and I think the color is Clover, I'm pretty sure, and I've matted my 2 photographs. I have this branding strip. All my pattern paper here is from the Daisy collection from Close to My Heart, and it is a 2023 collection. I'm not even going to cut off this branding strip of this pattern paper, because I'm going to take this strip and place it right on top, I'm pretty sure, and then place this over here. So let's get this check pattern paper down. I'm going to place it from the left side over 1 inch. It's a big piece, so it shouldn't go wonky. There we go. And that piece is down. And I said I was going to use the zip strip, branding strip over on this side. And we'll use that right here. How is everyone doing? I hope in the month of April. And how is your weather? We have had a wet, rainy April so far, and now, like in Kathy Galloway's layout, she had a strip of paper here fairly straight, and you know, if you watch my channel, I don't get too bent out of shape if it's not straight. Oh, and look at that. I have paint on my hand from doing some touch-up paint in my little scrap area. There is my dolly to represent the circle, and here are my two photographs, and I'm going to slide it down because I'm going to have a fairly large title here. All right, I have my photograph secured. I've tucked in my dolly here, so I want to add some adhesive so it doesn't move around. And now I want to add in this life card here, and it will be a journaling spot for me. And I'll add some more adhesive, but I don't know quite where I want to do the tucking of my embellishments. And I think I want to go ahead and move on to the title. And I think it's going to say end of summer. I think our brain will know that that's saying summer. So let me just keep that there for now. And I'm going to use these green alpha, puffy alpha stickers to spell out end. So end, let's get the white for of. End of summer. Yep, I like that for the location. I just need to move maybe my alphas around. So maybe we'll go like this, because they're different sizes, so it already gives some visual interest right there. So I like that. Now let's go over to the sticker sheet. So maybe she has daisy flowers, and I'm going to do this visual diagonal. And this is just another raft that I deflated, and it's okay if I cover some of it up. And I'm going to use these daisy flowers. I like that. We can use that. Really need a third element here, but I think this might go better down here. Yep, I like that. Let's see what else. Ooh, this says cherish this. Oh, I like that. Okay, the sticker will work right here. And you notice I'm keeping pretty much everything flat except for when I bring in my gems. And we have so much fun. I don't know if it's a lot of fun, but we could use that. Living the dream. I guess when we go floating, we're living the dream. I could layer that like that. Okay, I like that. I know that the flower pot has nothing to do with this, but we're trying to get this used up. Yep. That creates a nice little visual triangle right there. Yep, I like all that. That's coming together great. All right, I'm going to pause the video, and I am going to secure, pop dot some of these items up, and then we'll come back and add the gems and maybe some splatters too. So I added this flower sticker that was on my sticker sheet here. I didn't notice it before, and I thought it helped with that diagonal, bring your eye across diagonally. Now what I want to do is add some splatters, and I'm going to use the Dana Wakley medium gloss spray in white. We're going to add some splatters, I think along here. I like that. And I like that because I'm still going to use those green enamel dots. So I have the white, just a little interest there. And then I'm going to flip this and I'm going to add some right here. Now let's see about my glitter gems. I said enamel dots, didn't I? But they're the glitter gems, and I think I like these lighter colors. And let's add maybe one right there. And right, I have to add some glue, it looks like, right there. And we'll add one right here. And I think, yeah, I like that. I don't think I'm going to add these clear ones at all. I am perfectly happy with the way that looks right now. So my layout is complete. Again, be sure to go check out Becky and Kathy's channel. I will have the link listed below. Go over to our Facebook group site, which I will have the link listed below. Select one of our members' layouts that you would like to scrap lift to document one of your memories. And remember, you are passing down memories from one generation to another generation. Keep on scrapbooking those memories. Keep using your scrapbooking supplies to document your memories. We'll see you next time, and give us a thumbs up. That helps bring traffic to our channel so that we are inspiring people that you and I may not know that's looking for inspiration.